kapag naglalaro ka, may mechanical waves na lights ka pa here. What's up guys? So this is Ron from Ronan. What we will be reviewing today is the MPL official smartphone partner, which is the Infinix GT30. So this is the actual box, and yung specification or details niya is nasa likod. So it says here, it's 256GB and with 16GB RAM. Na extendable pa siya ng 8+8. So that is 16GB pa. Pwede mo pa i-expand or palakihin yung memory mo. So based from the box, talagang may MPL, no? So this is really official since may MPL na logo in front. So nakalagay kasi dito is to outsmart playing, right? Ito yung pinaka ginagamit nila dun sa league na yun, sa official league, sa professional league. And if you purchase this one, mayroon kang makukuha na GT Pro Gaming Kit, which is this one. So both of this is na-unbox na natin. So ngayon, kwentuhan lang tayo on how does it look, anong mabilis ba, maganda. So based on this performance sa likod ng GT30 sa mismong box, this is with iCare. So up to 144Hz AMOLED display. So for sure sobrang ganda kasi itong phone ko is around 120 lang yung 120Hz lang yung display nito nung sa previous phone ko, but what we are holding here is up to 144Hz with 1.5K na pixel. Then yung peak FPS niya is certified ng 10 games HFR, right? And yung performance na unleash ng sounds na or ng audio, that is from MediaTek D7 400 5G. And it has a mechanical light waves. So the processor, yun nga, it's MediaTek Dimensity 7400. The display is 144Hz plus AMOLED plus in-display fingerprint. And then the battery is 5,500 plus 45 watts na fast charge. So the usual naman, no, 5,500, ganoon talaga yung mga battery ng mga smartphone. And then this is powered by Android 15 and NFC supported. So the card slot is dual nano SIM, so meaning dual SIM ito. And the dimension is 163.7 by 75.8 by 7.99 millimeter. So the rear camera is 64